Hi guys, another quick one. We're going to be looking at live nettv. It's version 4.1 and it's ad free. I won't spend too long on this because I've already covered this one. I'll link you up to that video. I can always provide the MX players as well. They're both light versions. So we've got the Neon and we've got the x86. So let's give one a try. Let's go for Bravo.
Chris Noth.
Post it, yeah.
AMC. Sport. Let's give BT Sports one a try. Sky Sports one. Okay, looks like Sky Sports one didn't load. Link to.
Break it on.
Okay, so thanks guys. I'll link you up to the original video at the original site, and also I'll link you up to the ad-free version. Thank you very much.